Let's now move on to grammar support. In this section you will find detailed descriptions of Norwegian grammar. They will provide you with the necessary grounding in Norwegian grammar, from the very basics to a number of more advanced topics. There are numerous language learning websites without a grammatical component. However, we believe that it is not possible to learn a language without studying its grammar. Yes, we know that grammar can be boring and complicated, but it cannot be ignored altogether. We have therefore tried our best to present Norwegian grammar in a way you will find both attractive and motivating. Many of our users have already confirmed that it is fun to study it with Lingua Sunrise. As you can see, our grammar lessons are quite detailed, and they contain many examples, so you can be sure to study them with ease and to understand them without any trouble. Note that you can actually listen to many of the examples, which will give you extra practice in pronunciation. You're going to learn the grammar and have lots of fun at the same time. When you reach the end of a particular grammar lesson, you can check your understanding of it by taking the corresponding test. To start it, just click on the quiz button. Each grammar test contains a set of tasks based on the content of the lesson you have been studying. There is also another set of quizzes with several additional questions available. You'll find those quizzes in the Interactive Audio Lessons section. The Lingua Sunrise course is designed for students who are just beginning their adventure with Norwegian. At present, there are no online courses like it. None of those that are available can offer you so many features and tools as the Lingua Sunrise course. They are all here, just one click away, waiting for you to discover them. We wish you good luck and hope you join us.